Alright, we switched the motherboards. Let's power it up. So we figured out that this connection, which lives right here, is for the service outlet. So we literally left all the connections the same, except literally take one motherboard and put it on this side. But the only difference is the power going to the motor there and the coin out. These two belonged on this side because everything on the right was working and everything with blue was on the right side.
Try to test it.
No, we have a red light. Can't test with the red light. Why does this one have a red light and this one have no red light?
Because this boat is in here, right? And this one is in here. So must be something wrong with this one. That means it's right this side. So that's why money doesn't come out.
But before it wasn't red when it was over there. No, I just put the dollar bill in to see.
No working.
Okay.